Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. So to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. And this is the macro button in which I have assigned the sub procedure to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. Now first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. Now let's have a look on the output of our code first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our output of our 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel, and we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code which has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's have a look on our VBA editor and its sub procedure plus the code to create this type of amazing chart in VBA Excel. So let's have a look on our VBA editor. So as you can see on the screen that this is a VBA editor and this is the sub procedure to create our 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel, and this is the entire code in which we are going to use, and we are going to see how this code will perform to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So the first line of code after creating the sub procedure is to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is the single cell inside my data which I have selected. After that, what I'm going to do is in the next line I'm going to type activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets I'm going to give some parameters to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see what are the parameters has to be given inside the brackets. The first parameter will be the chart value, and for this video I have given 2 as the chart value. After that, remember we have to separate each and every parameter by a comma, and the second parameter which we are going to give is the what type of chart we are trying to build using this code. So for our video we are going to create a column stacked 100% chart, or you can say 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. So in VBA the chart type will be Excel column stacked 100, and then we are going to give the left and the width parameter to position and size our chart over here. After you give the left and width parameters, we are going to close the brackets and then we are going to type dot select. So what this line of code will help us to achieve is this line of code will create, and then this line of code will select the chart after creating it. So after creating and selecting the chart, we have to perform some actions inside the chart, and we are going to see what are the actions which we are going to perform after creating and selecting the chart. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to use a with statement over here. So let's see what this with statement will do with the chart created. So once our chart is created and selected, our chart becomes the active chart. So that's why we are going to type with active chart, which means we are going to do some activity with the active chart. So after writing with active chart, in the next line I'm going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets after giving a space over here I'm going to type MSO element data label show. So what this line of code will do is, this line of code will help us to show the data labels of each and every data bars present inside our chart, and it will show the data labels. So it will label each and every data point inside a 100% stacked column chart in VB Excel. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to build this data table with legend keys. So as you can see, this is our data table, and this is the legend keys also created inside this data table. So to create this type of data table with legend keys, what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this parameter or this line of code, your data table with legend keys will be created based on your data inside this chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart to make it more presentable. So to remove the grid lines, what we are going to do over here is we are going to type in the next line dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. So once you have given this line of code, your grid lines will be removed from your existing chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the chart title as per our preference. So to set the chart title as per our preference, what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line dot chart title dot text equals to, and then inside the double inverted comma I'm going to give my preferred name for my chart title. So for this video I have kept as 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. You can modify this as per your convenience and as per your data which you are going to present to your teammates or your boss. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type end with in the next line, and then so this end with is nothing but closing this with which we have written above. Now as you can see over here that we have selected our chart while creating. So now to deselect our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type range and any empty cell inside our worksheet. For me, my cell C4 is the empty cell, or you can see one of the empty cell inside my worksheet, so I'm selecting that, and after that I'm going to select dot select. So I'm going to type dot select and it will get selected. So this will deselect my active chart. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 100% stacked column chart in VBA Excel. If you want to learn about more VBA chart series or more chart types, then please do visit to our channel and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.